Hey everyone, let's make some biscuits with two ingredients. We're going to use self-rising flour and yogurt. Let's get mixing. First we'll put the cup and a half of yogurt in. Then we'll start adding the 2 cups of self-rising flour. Let's just start mixing. Let's go ahead and put it all in there. And it's going to make it like a little dough-like. We'll just keep on mixing this until it gets really good. If it gets too dry, you add a little bit more yogurt. If it's too wet, you add a little bit more flour. Okay, after you get them all cut out with the glass or whatever you have that circle, or you can cut them in squares, whatever the best and easiest for you. You put them on a baking pan and put them in the oven for a little bit. And when they get done, we'll check them out. All right, they are out of the ovens. Let's break one open and see what it looks like. Hot. Looks delicious. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more me, more recipes, subscribe. Until next time, see ya!